As we know, iPhone 16 lineup is now launched. Today in this video I am talking about iPhone 16 only. Firstly, I have to talk about what's the difference between iPhone 16 and iPhone 15. In iPhone 16, camera placement is changed, but it's not even a new thing. As we see in the old iPhone 12, it's same. iPhone 16 have various types of colors like black, white, blue, green and pink. And there is a camera control slider or button which can be used as zoom in and zoom out and also as a focus button as we seen in the Apple event. Now we have a pro feature like action button in the iPhone 16. Let's come to iPhone 16 performance. It has A18 Bionic chip which is absolutely suitable with every simple task or task like gaming. It has 5-core GPU and now you can play AAA titles in iPhone 16. You can play Assassin's Creed Mirage on iPhone 16. It is based on 3nm architecture also. Display is same as iPhone 15 lineup and it has 60Hz. Battery is a little bit improved.